guys, welcome back to Pat Max Adventures. I am Patrick, and today I am going to be giving you a tour of my new home here in Manila. Oh my gosh guys, this has been a long time coming. By the way, I'm not wearing my mask right now because as you can see out here in the pool area and the grassy area, there is nobody, so I decided to take it off for the intro. I have a story for you guys. Today I will take you guys around the outside area to show you the pool, this grassy area. I'll take you upstairs and show you my new condo here in Manila as I continue to ride out the pandemic here in the Philippines. To start off guys, there's this really nice green grassy area that I see people doing workouts, playing badminton during the mornings and afternoon. There are like these little almost gazebo areas. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a seat and a table so you can sit here and relax. There are 2 kiddie pools, I guess, right? Kiddie pools. This is one that appears to be open. This one over here is closed. You also can see that there is a track. So a lot of people will run up and down this track out here. I can just do my cardio and run around the pool here. It's very convenient. Here are 2 other pools, guys. This is a lap pool, Olympic size lap pool, which looks really inviting. There's also a lap pool on this side, but looks like it's totally open for free water swimming. During the general community quarantine here in Manila, this building or this condo complex has opened their pools. In order to use the pools here, you have to sign in with this reception with all your information as a resident. I haven't done it quite yet. I really want to. Actually, I'm probably gonna maybe do it today with this beautiful weather. I'm not sure if it's scheduled, and I'm still feeling a little iffy. As much as I want to use a pool and I love to swim and do laps, everybody, like, are things spread in there? Is the chlorine gonna kill the virus if someone has it? So I'm still a bit unsure about that. I think it should be fine, but yeah, I will be a little cautious about it. Alright guys, so here is my new home. I rented this off Airbnb. I will explain in a little bit how it all worked. This is the kitchen area. There's a rice cooker. I've got a sink. I've got an electric stove. Nice little front door area where to put the key. There's a mirror. Hey guys. Down below here, there are cups and bowls and plates. Everything here is provided. There's also some pans here and pots. As I mentioned, there's this rice cooker. Up here, there's also another smaller rice cooker, a toaster, and for, I guess, tea, coffee, heat up your water. Over here is the bathroom. So here is the sink area. I've got all my stuff right here, the toilet, towels, and a really nice shower. Also has the waterfall style shower. Now to the main part of the condo. There's a huge refrigerator here, which I love. I still need to buy a lot more food. Microwave, fan. The owners have done a really cute job. I love the whole gray-white theme here. I love this table here with 2 stools. There's a couch here. This actually can open up as a bed, so if you have a guest, some pillows. This is my workstation over here, guys. This is where I've decided to teach. It's worked out really well. Now over to the main entertainment area of the condo. Big TV up here, Netflix included. I love these little dolls she has here. Very cute. There's this cute thing to keep track of dates. So today is July 14th, the day I'm filming this. Be brave. Cute little owls here. And this door slides. Oh, my piece is falling off here. But this is what it looks like when I teach, guys. I will sit right here, got my beauty light, and this is my cute little quick background that I travel with. This door divides the room from the bedroom to the living room area. So here's the living room area. If we push this back, then we go into the bedroom area, and here is the bed, guys. Really nice bed. Keep life simple, yes, especially right now. Super cozy. Oh my gosh, guys, this is one of the most comfortable beds I have slept on all year. Closet area here, lots of space, hangers, extra sheets and comforters, hangers. There's also a scale right here, outlet right here. I love this cute little area she made. Great things never come from comfort zones. That is absolutely true. A nice little ottoman here. There's also an ottoman here, which is the one I sit on. Here's a view of the living room area from the bedroom point of view. There's also a clock up here, huge mirror. Again, I just love the style. I love this whole gray and white theme here. It really, really works. Now for the best part of this condo, and that is the balcony. Check out this view, guys. She's got this little cute little table here, 2 seats, an ashtray for smokers, and you can see just how big this complex is. It is a total of 50 floors. Look at that, guys. Down there is where I started. You can see the 2 pools, the 2 kiddie pools, the grassy area. Really, really love it down there. You can see someone is already swimming down there. It's already lunchtime. People are ready to go out and enjoy this beautiful day here in Manila. And look at this view, guys. Great view of Manila. And you can see a plane right there. A plane flying in. Something you don't see so much at the moment. I am so happy to be here, guys. What are we in, July right now? This entire year of 2020, I have been living in hotels, except for the very beginning of January and those 2 weeks that I got to travel around the Philippines, to Palawan, Malapascua, and a few other places. But other than that, I've been living in a hotel, and I have to tell you, it is so nice to finally have a kitchen and just to have more of a home feel, or to have that normalcy. I mean, I cooked breakfast for myself for the first time in 6 months because I had a kitchen and I was able to do it. So I'm just so happy to be here. As you guys saw from my last video, I made it out of Cebu City. As soon as I arrived in Manila, I checked into a hotel. There's like a list of hotels that they offer right now for foreigners here in Manila. And I didn't realize until I got to the hotel that the hotel I had chosen on their list, which of course was like the best budget hotel, and it was also being used as a quarantined hotel. So for all those Filipinos coming back from the Philippines, from different countries or cruise ships, a lot of them are going to this hotel. The hotel name is Go Hotels Ortegas. Really nice hotel. The staff were really nice. I got 3 meals a day, like I mentioned in my previous video. If you guys want to check that out, click the link up here and you can follow my journey here to Manila. Overall, it was a nice stay there. I was there for a week. I was really trying to find a condo or an apartment to move into as soon as possible. After talking to Filipino friends and some Filipino property management people and agents and Airbnb hosts, I realized that the sooner the better because of my test. A lot of buildings and building managements were not allowing me to move in because they felt uncomfortable that I had come from Cebu City, which is the hotspot here in the Philippines, and that the test was like 4 or 5 days ago. A lot of places wanted me to get a new test here in Manila within 3 days of move-in. And I'm like, oh my God, I spend $100 to get my test. What if I do the test again here, but then I can't move in, which means I have to do it a 3rd time? I found this Airbnb. It is owned by 2 sisters, and they have been so accommodating, especially to my situation, because I don't know how long I'm going to be staying in the Philippines, and if I were to get a regular condo here in Manila, they all want 3 months or longer. I've got to have a 1 or 2 months deposit, sign a lease, and I'm just not in that place yet to make that commitment. I probably will stay here for 3 months or longer here in this condo or in Manila in general as I ride out the pandemic here. The total price for 1 month here is 27,000 pesos. That comes out to about 545 US dollars. I think it's a great price. I've got the pool, I've got the kitchen. I mean, this is everything that I need and I want. And I don't need a big space. I've lived in super small condos and apartments, especially back in my days in Korea on Jeju. Oh my god, that apartment in Jeju was super small. It's like just as big as this living room. They have been really amazing. The communication has been great, and they're being very flexible with me, so I'm just very thankful to them, and I know that they're probably watching. So thank you again, guys. It's been really great. So what do you guys think? Do you like this condo? Do you not like this condo? The floor that I'm on is in the middle of the building. The building's about 50 stories tall, so I'm at a perfect space where I still get a good view of Manila and the pool area, but I'm not on the ground floor, you know, where they could be more noisy or where you just only see the ground of the pool and all that. So I'm really happy with this location. So this is where I will be for the foreseeable future. I'm going to be talking to the hosts later this week, and I think I'm going to just extend it into September. That's one thing I've had to come to accept and realize that, you know, I thought, oh, you know, I'll go to Thailand and Taiwan as soon as they open, and then I'll go home and see my family in November. But realistically, a lot of these countries are still closed and are probably not going to open up by then. So I've just come to realize that, you know what, yeah, I'm probably just gonna stay here in the Philippines, possibly even till the end of the year. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna go home to see my family this year. You know, it might not be the best time or the safest time for me to go, especially for my family. My mom is in her 70s and has pre-existing health conditions, so I would never want to do anything or bring anything back to her or any of my friends. So yeah, I may very well be in the Philippines going right into 2021. I don't know if I'll be in Manila that entire time, but I think I'm gonna be spending a good amount of the rest of the year, if not the rest of the year, here in Manila. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys next time.